Hello everyone, in this video, we'll explain how to program using the function block diagram FBD language in the Kinco BuilderPro programming and configuration software. First, create a program with the programming language set as FBD. After setting it up, click Confirm. Next, I'll demonstrate the basic operations of FBD programming. You can right-click in the blank area to add variables or function blocks. Alternatively, you can directly add function blocks in the Library Management panel on the right. Variable parameters can be connected by dragging, or you can click on the pins of the function block and select the desired variable. Note: the type of the connected variable must be consistent with the variable type allowed to be filled in the parameters of the function block. The output of one function block can be connected to multiple variables. After a successful compilation, you can download the program to view its running status. Next, we'll write a simple running light program. First, create the required variables, 3 variables of light and a start switch variable. After creating the variables, add a reset function block to control the start and stop of the running lights. Then, add a timer function block and connect the output of the reset function block to the input of this timer. Set the timing to 1 second. Function blocks support direct duplication. After writing the logical flow, we need to connect the output data to the running lights. Now, let's monitor online. We can see the execution effect of the program. When the value of the start variable is true, we can observe that the running lights start and they can run in a loop. When we set stop to true, the running lights stop. That's all for this video.